दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें। साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
On the importance of children's training and development. In this video, we will explore how parents play a crucial role in fostering their children's growth and success. Let's start by discussing cognitive development. Activities like puzzles, problem-solving tasks, and educational games stimulate children's cognitive abilities and enhance their learning skills. Physical development is equally important. Encourage your child to engage in sports, dancing, and outdoor play to promote their overall well-being and enhance their motor skills. Emotional development plays a vital role in children's social and emotional well-being. Help your child express and manage their emotions in different situations. Parenting styles greatly influence children's behavior and development. Explore different parenting styles and their effects on your child's growth. Creating a nurturing and supportive environment is essential for your child to thrive. Provide love, support, and guidance to help them reach their full potential. The role of parents. Parents play a fundamental role in shaping their children's training and development. Their influence is significant throughout a child's life, and their involvement can greatly impact a child's well-being and success. Here's how parents contribute. Providing a secure environment. Parents create a safe and nurturing environment that allows children to explore, learn, and develop without fear. Stimulation and learning. Parents engage in activities that stimulate children's cognitive growth, such as reading, storytelling, puzzles, and educational games. Setting boundaries. Establishing consistent and reasonable rules teaches children about responsibility, discipline, and consequences. Emotional support. Parents provide emotional support, helping children understand and manage their feelings. This support fosters emotional intelligence. Role modeling. Children often learn by observing their parents' behavior. Positive behaviors like empathy, respect, and effective communication can be learned from parents. Encouraging independence. As children grow, parents gradually allow them to take on more responsibilities, fostering independence and decision-making skills. Communication. Open communication helps parents understand their children's needs, concerns, and interests, building a strong parent-child relationship. Providing opportunities. Parents expose children to diverse experiences, hobbies, and activities that aid in their holistic development. Instilling values. Parents impart values, ethics, and morals that guide children's behavior and decision-making. Supporting social skills. Parents help children navigate social interactions, teaching them manners, empathy, and effective communication. In essence, parents serve as the primary educators and role models in a child's life. Their guidance, support, and involvement significantly influence the child's growth, development, and overall well-being.